Hey guys, it's your girl Samantha. I'm back again with another video. It's been a while, but I'm coming to you today with a kind of like a wear, like a show and tell, and just letting you guys know about this Born This Way foundation and concealer. Well, I'm sure you guys, if you're under a rock, then that's the only way you don't know about these two products right here, as well as the powder that I'm going to show you later on in this video. But yeah, so I've been loving this new shade that Jackie Aina actually collaborated with Too Faced to create. She extended the shade range of the original Born This Way foundation, and I have been loving her for that. I was using this foundation before the added shades. I believe I was using Maple. I think I was using Maple. But it was just too pinky, but I loved the formula, and that was killing me. But I just continued to rock on with my little pinky undertone foundation. But this one is so perfect for me, guys. I absolutely love it and have not put it down. I actually got it the same day it released, and it's been a while. I've been using it for some time, so I can honestly say I love this foundation. And the concealer, I am using Butterscotch. So I'm using Butter Pecan in the foundation, Butterscotch in the concealer, and it's super natural on me. I feel like it really suits my skin tone. I really love the way it feels. It gives you a great finish, and it really does look like skin, and that is something I love. And I love that it's not too matte. It's like a velvet type of feel. I really like that. And the concealer is pretty full coverage, and the powder is amazing as well. It is the perfect medium shade. A lot of time companies have put out the darker spectrum of the translucent powders, and sometimes they can get a little bit too red, and this it's perfect, like literally perfect as a as a translucent shade for me and my skin tone. I feel like it is perfect. I love the way it wears. It seriously, it's amazing. And I noticed that this foundation lasts literally all day. I'll come home from work and my skin looks amazing. I have dry skin, and it does not make me look dry at all. As you can see here, guys, my skin literally looks just like skin. So yes, guys, those are my final thoughts, and I just love this foundation. I definitely recommend it to anybody that has dry skin, and I've seen girls that do not have dry skin that definitely recommend it also. So yeah, I mean, if you want to, you can go ahead and check it out if you're in the market for a new foundation and concealer and powder, because this is just like a triple threat right here. So yeah, definitely check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.